Welcome back again, guys, to V.S.L Concept YouTube channel. Here, a mind-blowing video that I have prepared to show you how to set up Google Analytics for your website. You might wonder, what is Google Analytics and how does it work? Google Analytics is actually a very powerful web tool that can help you track your website's performance, analyze your user behavior, and help you make data-driven decisions. So when users visit your website, this tool gives you a detailed information of what this user is doing on your website. This tool tells you how much time this user have actually spent on your website, and in fact, if you are running ads that are targeted to making sales, this tool helps you make decisions on how to optimize your ads, giving you an accurate demographic of persons who have purchased and give you a detailed information on how to retarget them. So guys, this Google Analytics tool is a wonderful tool that you have to actually get set up for your website. I hope I've been able to explain to you what Google Analytics is and why it is very important that you get it set up on your website. If your answer is yes, that you understand what Google Analytics is, please rush down to the comment section and comment, yes, I understand what Google Analytics is. So whether you are a blogger, a marketer, or a business owner, this step-by-step tutorial is for you because it shows the easiest way of you installing Google Analytics on your website. Now, before I go ahead to show you the easiest way to set up this analytics on your website, I want to give a shout out to the winner of our last video. Yes, in that last video, we mentioned that the very first person who answers the quiz that we dropped in that video correctly wins our Google Ads course that is worth over $100. At this point, I want to congratulate Dalabra MCK. Yes, you were the first person to comment the correct answer to that quiz. Do well to contact us via the number you are seeing on your screen on WhatsApp so we can actually give you access to your special mind-blowing prize. Yes, you watching this video stand a chance to win a very special gift from us and also a shout out in our next video if you are the first person to answer the quiz question we'll drop in this video. So watch out for that quiz question. So you may ask, what is the basic requirement for you to actually set up Google Analytics for your website? The very first requirement you need is what? A Google account, a regular Gmail account, one. And secondly, you need to have a functional website. So if you do not have a website and you want to learn how to design a website for yourself, check the description. I have put a free video where you will see how to design a website for yourself. So for now, what we need is a Google account. So when you get your Google account, head on to analytics.google.com. So you want to head onto your browser and go to analytics.google.com. This is the website, analytics.google.com. Hit enter and it will take you straight up to the point where it will ask you to sign in to your Gmail account for you to continue to Google Analytics. So I'm just going to sign into a Gmail account now. After signing into my email, it takes me straight up to the Google Analytics place and you click on what? Start measuring. So it opens up the account creation portal for us. We go down there. Now put in our account details, put in account name, V.S.L Concept. We go down and the next section is the account data sharing. So this is basically you telling Google what information you want it to give to you on this website. So we'll go down and click on what? Next. The next section is actually the property creation part. Now this property basically signifies your website, your app that you actually want to track or get information about. Over here we'll put in our website name, V.S.L Concept, and we'll go down there, choose our country. Country is Nigeria. Okay, you can select any country, make sure you select your own country, leave the currency at that, and click on what? Next. So the next thing is for us to actually describe our business details. What does our business look like? Now, what industry is our business? So we offer digital marketing services, and I can't find that here, so I'll just go down and click on other business activity. So if you find yours on this list, click on that. So the next part is to select your business size. Do you have a small business that has about 1 to 10 employees? You select that. So I'll be selecting that and I'll click on next. So the next section here is where you now choose the objective that you actually want to get from using Google Analytics for this property. Now the very first one there is generate leads. I'll tick that. Drive online sales, tick that. Raise brand awareness, tick that. Examine user behavior, tick that. Then get baseline reports, I will also tick that, and then I'll click on create. So this is the section where you have to agree to Google Analytics terms and services. Click on this and put in your country. Read these informations here and then click this checkbox and then accept this information. Now the property has been successfully created. So remember that I mentioned that you can actually track events from a website, an application, and the rest of them. So over here is where we'll choose tracking information from a website. Here is where we'll choose tracking information from an Android app, or here an iOS app. So we're going to be tracking information on a website. So I'll click on web. So this is actually where we are actually going to put in our website name. So I just put in V.S.L concepts.courses as a website, and the website name is what? V.S.L concept. And you click on what? Create screen. Please ensure that you tick this enhance measurement, okay? Click on create stream. This now takes us to the section where we will be connecting the Google Analytics property that we have just created to our website. Now we'll be doing this with what we call Google tags. Now Google tag basically is a police that is installed on your website. Now what does it do? It tracks the record of every user that visits this website and give that information to the Google Analytics web tool. Now, how can we install this Google Tag Manager on our website? There are so many ways to do this. We can actually install it by using a website builder. So all we just need to do is what? Put in the website link here, and then we can scan the website. If it's a WordPress website, you get a step-by-step instruction on how to do it. If it's a Wix website, you get a step-by-step instruction on how to do it. If it's a Squarespace website, a step-by-step instruction on how to do this. But you can actually install this code manually, which is the easiest method that we'll be using to install Google Tag Manager on our website. Now, if someone designed the website for you, all you need to do is what? Copy this code and give it to that web developer so he can put this code in the header section of your website. Automatically, Google Tag Manager will be installed on your website. Now, I mentioned that I'll be showing you the easiest way on how to do this, and I'll be installing this on our WordPress website. Now, on your WordPress dashboard, go over to plugins and click on add new. I'll be showing you a plugin that you would install that will make the whole process very easy for you right now. Now, over here on plugins, come to this search option and search for GA Google Analytics plugin. Now you are going to find this GA Google Analytics plugin. Click on install now. After installing, click on activate. So after installing the plugin, head on to your plugin section, go down, look for the plugin GA Google Analytics and click on what? Settings. Over here on settings, you are going to find plugin settings. Click on plugin settings. And here you find the option where it will be asking you for what? Your GA tracking ID. Now, how do you get this GA tracking ID? Close this and you will find this measurement ID. Here is your GA tracking ID. So click on this to copy this tracking ID. Come over here and paste it in here. Once you have done that, this will be selected on Google Tags. Now come over to this point, this custom tracking object. This is where we're actually going to put in that tracking code. So how do we get the tracking code again? Click on view tag instructions. Now install manually. Copy this code. After copying the code, paste it here and we are good to go. Just scroll down and then you do what? Save changes. Automatically, guys, you have successfully installed the Google Tag Manager and also connected this property to your website. Now, for us to verify that our connection is successful, We close this and click on what? Next. And click on what? Continue to home. Now, because we are coming in here for the very first time, you can just tick this featured announcement, tick whichever you want to tick, and then click on save. So it brings us straight up to the Google Analytics what? Home page. Remember, we said we want to verify if the connection is successful. How do we do that? Come over here, you see reports. Now, once this report section opens up, come over here and click on real-time reports. So this real-time reports section actually shows you people that are on the website at this moment, people who are there on the website. So what we're going to do now is this. We will go over to our website and just do some things on the website, visit some pages on the website so that you can record an event. So after visiting some pages on the website, we can now go over and do what? Reload this real-time event again. So as you see here, guys, the real-time have been updated towards 1 user. And over here on the map, you see the location where that user clicks from, right here in Lagos. So we have confirmed that the Google Analytics have been what? Professionally set up on our website. I'm very sure you've seen how easy it is for you to create a Google Analytics account and connect it to your website. Very, very easy. Are you getting massive value from the information I'm giving to you in this video? Do well to hit the subscribe button right now and make sure you turn on post notifications so you can get notified by Google when we post amazing videos like this on this channel. Right now, I will want to walk you through the overview of this analytics page so you can see exactly how to use these analytics that we have just installed to read data and information on your website. So we'll go over to the home page so I can walk you through what we have on the home page. So this home page actually gives you an overview of what's happening on your website. Over here is the section where you see the number of users who have visited your website, the number of new users, the event count, actions they've taken on the website, and also the average time they spent on your website. Here you see the number of users that visited your website in the last 30 minutes. And below here you see the country where they are coming from. Remember, I just installed this on this website. So it is counting me as 1 user, and here you see the location. Now, for us to actually see all features that this analytics has that would help you make profitable decisions, I will be showing you those informations from an account that has so much data. Remember, we just installed this on this website, so we have very little or no data to show. So I'll be going over to this account, and here we can see so much data. And in the real-time users, you will see we have about 50 persons who are actually visiting this website. And we have 11 from United States, 8 from India, from China, from Russia. And we have about 18,000 users on this website. Event count is what? About 495,000 events that have been taken on this website. Now the conversion is what? 126,000 what? Conversions. How many new users do we have on this website? About 15,000 what? Users that we have on this website. Now once we go down, we are going to see some more information about these events that are being carried out on this website. Now as you go down, you'll be able to see some more information about organic search, revenues that you've actually gotten from your website, and so much more information. Now for us to actually get more information on this, we can click on what? View all insights. Are you enjoying the wonderful information that I've been sharing with you on how Google Analytics can help you preview data that you use to make decisive decisions on your website? Do well to hit the subscribe button and make sure you turn on post notifications so you get notified when we drop amazing videos like this that are there to help your business grow. So as you have seen, guys, Google Analytics is a very powerful tool that can help you track your website performance, analyze user behavior, and make data-driven performances. We hope that this tutorial has been helpful in helping you get started and helping you set up Google Analytics for your website. If you have any question, please drop them in the comment section below and we'll reply you immediately. Now let's go over to our quiz of this video. At what point did I open up the Google Analytics account that has so much data for us to work with in this video? Remember, we were working with a new Google Analytics account that we installed on our website, and then I opened a new one that gave us so much data. At what point did I open up that account in this video? Drop the exact time when that account was opened on a new tab, and you stand a chance to win an amazing prize from us. Guys, some mind-blowing amazing videos will drop on your screen right now. Do well to watch those videos, because those videos will actually help your business grow. I will see you in that video.